Hey guys, hey. So today we are going to, well, I guess I should introduce myself again. It's Chris, also known as Taxi. This is the day, guys. This is the day that I am going to be doing my smoked meats. So we'll go ahead and start that. So what is this? Full. Oh, okay. So we got a lift and remove quality seal. What is this? How do I do this? Oh, okay, cool. So you can remove this. I don't know if that's like a remove. I don't know about that. Okay, so I don't know how I would cut it. We can try, right? Let's go ahead and just let's try it. It should be good, guys. So this looks like it's good to go. I got a good, nice color on there. Good, nice amount of rub on there. So I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick. Okay. So there's like a video here. Okay, let's see. Maybe mine's not. Oh, wow. Okay. And it says 1/4 cup. I feel like that's like a lot. That's a lot of mustard. But that's what it says.